He's got the hookah in the back.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Nice lines, huh?
It is very straight, my man. For being so long.
The LS is pretty as well.
Ah, look at that. So we were just talking. I'm sorry, what's your name?
Bruce.
Bruce. Hi, I'm Ryan.
Ryan.
So we were just talking about an upgrade. You said this only came with an inline 6, you believe, right?
70, yeah. Oh, it was in here. I took it out.
No, it only came with an inline 6. So this is a LS upgrade, you said, from like a 2001.
2001 Silverado. That's what it comes with on the computer.
That's fantastic.
Another cool thing, if you go back and look in the side, if somebody only doesn't know, but you look through the tunnel, see that the opening in the tunnel right there? If you look through there, through the front,
Yeah.
you can see all the way through.
Ah.
There's a tunnel going through. So I have ram air.
Right.
And we were just talking about the CBs.
Oh, see,
Down on our cruises.
right when I was a kid, I remember, man, being able to play with them. I was a little squirrel on a tag. It was just such a big deal.
Yeah, fun stuff.
Yeah, man. So, Bruce, at some point, if you ever want to do a proper little video, like a 45-second video with an interview, I give you a microphone. Totally open to do it for you. You know what I mean? Whether it's at even Jack in the Box on a Saturday or.
Do it at my house.
Okay.
Because I have all this. I'm an artist, like I said, and everybody.
Yeah.
But I do art. I do a lot of wood.
Yeah.
As you can tell.
It's gorgeous work.
A lot of carving.
Yeah.
All kinds of stuff. Beds, tables. But I do a lot of rock work.
Yeah.
Point being, it's a perfect place for a shoot. What I would really like to do is do a drone. In the crew. In the middle, turn around.
Yeah.
Fly in, talented dude.
That'd be a talented drone driver. Yeah.
I do need something because I'm going to sell it pretty soon.
Okay, yeah. Anyway, like I said, the whole thing for me, man, is like I'm glad to meet you guys and just bullshit about your cool cars, you know. This looks nice. You did a good job.
Oh, I'm not done.
What now? Is that oak? What kind of wood?
It's got cedar.
Cedar.
1-inch teak, which is killer.
Right.
Pine, some oak. What else?
You kind of got it all. I see.
Yeah. When I built this beautiful bed frame out of that solid 1-inch oak, I used the natural curves of the table and made this nice arch, actually just like that.
Yeah.
Over my bed, but it's solid 1-inch teak. It's badass.
Nice.
My bathroom, the countertop is laminated hemlock wood.
All right, hard.
And it's got a couple of, and then I glassed it, but I drew a couple of koi in it, circling the sink. Kind of like I drew those and painted those in there. And then on the bar as well. If you look at the bar, there's two koi that are carved.
Oh, interesting. All right, I didn't even see the bar. Man, set up.
You always see the yin yang and the koi circling.
Right, yeah.
That's kind of what I was going for here.
Oh.
Everything, there's a meaning in everything.
Right. Oh, that's what he was saying right there to the LS. All the way through. Cool.